In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips that are going to help you with being more productive and getting more things done in less time. You want to definitely tune into this video. Hi there, my name is Jesse, and I am a firm believer that if it's not productive or efficient, we should not be doing it. For those of you that are new to this channel, I am an event coordinator and Honeybook Pro. I love sharing tips and tools that will help you with being able to systemize your business and scale to the next level. As always, I love to share tools and tips that you can use within your business, specifically on the Honeybook platform. So today, I'm going to give you some tips to being able to start implementing today, not yesterday, but today, so that you can really start feeling more confident in all the things that you have to do. For those of you that have never heard about Honeybook, it is an all-in-one platform that is specifically designed for service-based businesses. So it doesn't matter if you're not an event planner. You can use this if you're an accountant. You can use this as well if you do renovations. I have helped businesses in all types of industries with being able to use this platform. So don't think it's only for event planners or event industry professionals. I love the fact that you can use the proposals, contracts, scheduling, task management, project management, all the things you need to do in your business, especially for those of you that it might be a one-man show right now. That's why it's important to make sure that you have a system that's going to help you being productive. I'm guessing that you may only be you working right now, or you might have a few things that are outsourced. You want to make sure that you are organized so that when you decide to start bringing on a VA or other team members, that they are able to know exactly what is getting done in the business or what you're expecting of them to do. So that's one of the many reasons why it's important for you to start to get organized. First, I'm going to talk to you about some of the key features that will help you with being productive in Honeybook. The four main features that I think are going to blow your mind is the fact that you can do client communication, there's custom templates, project management, and you can do invoicing. Those are the four things you're talking about: getting paid, communicating with people, and then keeping things on track. Those four features are going to blow your mind. In my opinion, there's not any other competition that can do this type of service all in one platform, specifically for service-based businesses. So that's why I always talk about Honeybook. So don't think it's just because I'm an educator and pro that I like to talk about it. I like to talk about it because I have tried different products. The 10 years I've been as an event planner, I've tried all types of all-in-ones, and I want to say that this is top notch. The reason why these four features are going to be a game changer for you is because with project management, they actually just rolled out a new feature that allows for you to assign tasks to different members of your team, which is a game changer, especially for those of us that have multiple people that support us. You will love the fact that you can actually keep track of where your projects are in your sales funnel to make it easier on not guessing on, oh, do I need to follow up with this? Has this been signed? Has this person paid? You can keep track of all of that right in the platform. The reason why it's important to have client communication is because if you have ever said, hold on, let me check in my emails, and now you're having to go into your Google and search and you're trying to find it, but you can't find it. Well, here's the thing, is that you can actually integrate your email into Honeybook. So when you're communicating within your project, it can sync to your email. So then it looks like you're emailing directly from your email box, but it's actually emailing directly from the project within Honeybook. Why is that important? Because all you have to do is go to the project that is in question and go to your activity tab to see exactly what communication occurred. The days of searching through your email sent folder are gone. And it's, for me, that's like one of the chef kiss, because I used to hate having to go and search for communication through my email. And of course, we cannot forget about the customized templates, because when we're talking about time and productivity, if you're rewriting emails, if you're recreating proposals every time, if you're recreating packages all the time, that is not efficient. All of my clients that I do their Honeybook setups, that's something I always hone in on them, is that I don't like to build out a system based off of where they are in their business right now. I build out this system thinking about where they're aiming to go within the next year to 2 years and beyond. So if you're trying to grow and scale, if everything in your business is customized and it's only you, and you still got to do the service, you still got to do the marketing, you still got to do all the things in your business, that sounds stressful and non-enjoyable. So I love the fact that we have the templates that you can use in the system that will cut back on all of the mundane tasks that you're redoing over and over again. Another feature that I love is the fact that you can do your invoicing and financials through Honeybook. No more of, let me send you this invoice through PayPal, let me send you this on Stripe invoice, let me send you this Square invoice, and then I'm going to have to now send you the contract by DocuSign. Like, again, nothing about that is productive. Like, I am often having conversations with other small business owners and I hear what they're doing, and automatically I'm like, that sounds stressful. Running your business alone can have its own level of stress, but having your systems in all different places and nothing really communicating to each other, that is elevating the stress to a level 10, and it's just going to eventually cause burnout. So I love the fact that in Honeybook, you have the ability to send invoices, get paid, track how you're going to get paid. It sends out automatic reminders to people because we can get busy and forget to send out those reminders. So you want to use something that's going to allow for you to get that time back so you're not chasing payments. And they also have this really great feature within the invoices where automatic payments can be selected. So if you are going to click that on and someone's using a debit card or a credit card, what will happen is that that card number will automatically just get charged on the date that is on that invoice. So you don't have to keep chasing after payments. The only time you would have to do that is if that card declines, and then you have to then follow up with the client. But that again is a game changer.